right, my wife and I are here to talk about this 2.5 quart non-stick saucepan purchased on Amazon. I will put an associated link below if you're interested. Here is the pan right here. Lisa has used it more than I. So Lisa, what are your thoughts?
Oh yeah, I love this pan. It has the rainbow coloring on it. That's really pretty. Let's see, it's not too hot. And it's really nice non-stick. Cooks everything real nice, cleans real nice. You can put it in the oven up to, I think, 450, 500 degrees. I can't remember, it would say on that. And real easy to clean. It's also metal resistant.
500 degrees.
So 500 degrees, you can put this straight in there, the pot. And it's, like I said, non-stick. It's metal scratch resistant. Like it says, you can scrape on them and stuff because of the coating. So far, it's been great. I love it. It can use on it, like I said, oven save up to 500. It's got stainless steel on the bottom for the induction base. And let's see, what was the other thing I was going to say? It has, oh yeah, it'll work on all burner types. It's suitable for all cooktops, all of them. Let's see if there's any other important information here.
So far it's been really easy to cook with and really easy to clean.
Oh yeah.
We just use just standard dish soap and then just one of these little scrubby pads, and yeah, it works perfectly to get it clean. And
yeah, and this is the what's that? Thyme and Table.
Thyme and Table is the brand.
And this is their signature edition with the rainbow color.
Yeah.
And that's their premium level one, or whatever you want to call it, because they have different levels. It doesn't say it on this one, but there's different levels of their pans, and this is their top quality one.
If you click on the link, you'll see some of their other products that they have available as well. But yeah, this is a triple layered titanium reinforced coating for durability. And yeah, I would say we would repurchase this brand, and I would highly recommend it to others. If you have ever used one of this brand's pans, let me know what your experience was in the comment section below. And if you have not, does it sound like a pan that would be useful to you? Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next review.